This is the Xiaomi 12 Pro and this is running the latest MIUI 13 update. So I'm going to show you all the MIUI 13 features and changes in action, and I'm going to talk about MIUI 13 for India, which is very important, so don't miss that part. So here's the phone and it's running the MIUI 13 stable build, and I'm going to start with the visual changes. First of all, MIUI 13 brings cool new live wallpapers. There's motion glass, which looks like this, and this. There's more. But the highlight has to be the new crystallization wallpapers, which shows crystal formation captured on a microscopic level. I mean, here's one of the wallpapers in action. Yeah, this is cool, right? Here's one more. Yeah, I like these wallpapers. Anyway, the big change in MIUI 13, if you ask me, is the new home screen widgets. There's tons of new widgets, as you can see. For example, I have the clock widget, the weather widget, and the calendar widget on the home screen right here, and I like how they look. And I like that they change colors depending on the light or dark mode enabled. Sure, most of these widgets take inspiration from iOS, but at least Xiaomi is taking widgets more seriously. I mean, here's the widget picker, and almost every widget is available in these different sizes. Now, there are a ton of widgets here, and a lot of them are from Chinese apps, but I think the basics will make it to MIUI 13's global and Indian version, like the Steps widget, these Notes widgets, the Mi Home widget to control different devices, the Mi Gallery widget, etc. Apart from this, the lock screen in MIUI 13 is slightly tweaked, as you can see from this comparison, and I like this design, especially with the new Mi Sans font, which looks minimal and nice. The screenshot editor's UI is also updated, and I think it looks more modern. Another change I noticed is that the MIUI launcher seems to support third-party icon packs from the Themes app. I think MIUI 13's India version should support icon packs from the Play Store. Now, these visual changes are fine, but right now there's no Material U, even though this is based on Android 12. But apparently a new China MIUI 13 build is bringing dynamic theming, as you can see, so I'm hoping we'll get wallpaper theming in MIUI 13 in India. Anyway, MIUI 13 also brings interesting app updates. I mean, there's no huge revamp in apps, but there are new features in a lot of apps. For example, this is the camera app, and first of all, the shutter lag while taking a photo is insanely low. Just look at the camera app on the Xiaomi 12 Pro next to the camera app on the Mi 11X, and yeah, it's really cool. Now, this could be a Xiaomi 12 Pro feature, but I'm hoping it's MIUI 13. Now, one cool feature I noticed in the camera app is shoot with screen off. Basically, you can turn this on and say you're recording a time-lapse video. Well, after 3 minutes, the screen will go off like this to save battery, but the video will continue recording. Yeah, this is great. The camera app also has this new dynamic shots option, which is basically live photos or, motion photos. Next app update is the new clock app. Here it is next to the clock app on MIUI 12.5. Now, the new app has a refined UI with text instead of icons on the top. Plus, there are a couple of new features. You can add your sleep schedule so that you can get reminders to go to bed and to wake up. This will also track your sleep and bring you stats. There's also a morning report feature which brings weather info when the first alarm is turned off. The gallery app hasn't changed much, but I like this new button to switch between all photos and photos from camera only. There's also a new recommended page where you get all the features like collage, clip, video editor, etc., which were previously the 3-dot menu button. This page also brings you memories, just like Google Photos. Then there's the new file manager app, which I think looks much better now. It opens up with the recents page, which shows you the recent files. Then there's the storage tab, which seems a bit cleaner now, and you also get the folders there itself. Yeah, I like this new file manager look. The search is also better with these categories. There's also downloads right here. The cloud storage and cleanup options are moved here on the top, and there are a couple of handy options in the settings. You can enable encryption for files in the private folder. You can choose to not show photos in recents, which I think makes sense. So I like the new app updates in MIUI 13, but let's talk about MIUI 13 features now. So starting off with something simple, the battery page has new performance modes. So there's balanced, which is what the phone is set to by default. Then there's a save battery mode, which turns off these features to get you extra runtime. And lastly, there's performance mode, which will do what it says, but it can lead to overheating issues, which will lead to throttling issues. You'll get this if you've seen our video on the Xiaomi 12 Pro and 8 Gen 1. If you haven't, make sure to check it out. Also, there's a new performance mode toggle in the quick settings, which by the way hasn't gotten the whole iOS treatment we saw in MIUI 13 leaks. Next up, in the display settings, in the color scheme page, there's this new adaptive colors option, which basically changes the colors in the display depending on the light around. Basically, this is Xiaomi's True Tone feature, and I think it's a good addition, although we'll have to check how well it works. The one-handed mode in MIUI 13 is also better. If you remember, the current one-handed mode in MIUI only works when navigation buttons are on. The new one-handed mode in MIUI 13 is simple. I can swipe down from the bottom to bring the UI down. Yeah, kind of like iOS's reachability feature. Apart from all this, there are a lot of interesting new privacy features in MIUI 13, which is interesting because it's MIUI, privacy. This privacy camera, which basically means MIUI 13 will make sure to detect only faces and hide your lower body when using face recognition. There are also these bunch of privacy protection features to protect your clipboard data, enable approximate location, yeah, this is from Android 12, and also require approval before an app accesses your phone number. MIUI 13 also brings Android 12's privacy dashboard in its own UI, as you can see, which is fine. Overall, it's kind of clear that the MIUI 13 update is not a huge update. It brings widgets, some UI changes, a lot of refinements, but when it comes to MIUI 13 for India, I'm expecting more. See, the MIUI 13 features I've talked about should make it to MIUI 13 in India, but there are 3 things I'm expecting from the Indian release. Number 1, no bugs. See, Xiaomi has talked about fixing more than 400 bugs in MIUI 13, and I know a lot of people in India dislike MIUI because of its bugs, so this is important. Second, I'm also hoping we finally get MIUI Plus features here in India. I remember MIUI Plus was announced with MIUI 12.5 and it brings these cool laptop and phone connected features. Now with Mi laptops getting popular in India, it makes sense. Third, a clean experience. See, Xiaomi has been launching high-end phones in India now and they deserve a better experience. See, features like Face Emoji keyboard, the glance lock screen, the sneaky app recommendations, these need to go. So Xiaomi, if you're listening, just make these changes to MIUI 13 in India and trust me when I say that this will become the best MIUI update ever. Yeah, this is important. If you agree with us, make sure to hit like and share this video everywhere so that it reaches Xiaomi and they do these changes for MIUI 13 in India. Also, comment below what are the features you want in MIUI 13 in India. So yeah, comment down below. Also, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, that's me signing off. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.
How to control your phone with a wand. Lumos.